How to share a Spotify song on Snapchat. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helps you out, please let me know in the comments. Let's get started right away. So I'm going to show you guys two ways in order to do this. And the very first way is to share an actual, Spotify song. So via Spotify pretty much. So if you just go over here and then to your song, you want to go to the share button at the bottom right, pretty much. Here you will get a couple of options, so you can change the background and whatever you want. You can even turn up the audio, I believe. But if you now click on Snapchat here at the bottom, this will bring you over to Snapchat, and via this way you can actually share a Spotify song on Snapchat. Now the second way is if you actually want to, share the sound of your Spotify song. And what you can do is go on the top right, you can see the music icon. Now here are here's the full library of, Snapchat. Now in this case, the song I just mentioned is really popular right now. So this one is actually on Snapchat in the Snapchat library. But there are a lot of songs from Spotify which are not on Snapchat. Now, that has probably something to do with licensing, but it's actually really annoying. But here you can see the song. Now I can choose which part I want to use, and then I can start record and use this song. So those are the two ways on how to share a Spotify song on Snapchat.